selling, but selling in a focused way makes all the difference. So what we are now talking about is actually addressing the SMB segment by focusing on a very dedicated channel route, a channel mechanism, which comprises three different types of channels. So we are looking at using our retail presence in the ground. Our consumer BU has a plan of going to about 1,000 retail outlets this year, of which about 500 plus outlets are already there in the market. People exist on the ground. So when you look at these 1,000 outlets, we propose to use at least 200 of them for the SMB, who are located in the towns that are relevant to SMB, who have the mental framework, which is right for addressing an SMB customer. And we will partner with them and we will support them very strongly to be able to go and sell to the lower end of the SMBs, which is the SOHO segment. Then we look at the resellers, which is the largely distribution community on the ground, the reselling distribution community, which is who we will use to expand our reach in the country by going down from the existing 20-25 cities and towns that we address to over 200 towns and cities in the country that we address this year. And we will do that by using many more partners located in small towns and small cities as compared to where we are right now. The third pillar is to have a partnership with many more VARs and SIs in the country, along with a very strong ISR selling mechanism at the back, an inside sales representative team at the back, which will support the VARs. New products on the Edge platform, and we are going to be adding to these in the future as we go along. These products are specifically designed, focused as part of the Lenovo commitment to SMB to be able to address this space. So these are products which are actually customized. They deliver great features, not only at the extreme end, like in terms of productivity or security related features which are more enterprise friendly, enterprise related, but even at the consumerish end, which is what is SOHO's requirement. We have great looks, great style, great consumer features like the HDMI port or whatever else, like gaming capability. All said and done, from this extreme to that extreme, this portfolio covers everything. And we take this portfolio, this great new range across desktops and notebooks, and bring it to the end customer and slot it correctly. Today, when we are talking about products which are focused to SME, there are products which are focused for SOHO, products which are focused for MB. The channel is focused towards SOHO, channel is focused towards MB. And therefore, we can now use this entire mechanism, product and channel, to go to the specific end customers and then actually give them what they want. Talk to them the value of each product, talk to them the delivery of each product, how it can happen, like in terms of being able to make it easy for them to buy. And the final thing is be able to communicate to them in the right way. Today, we can't communicate to them in the right way. Today, we look at it as a single mass of SMB. So now our strategy is to be focused for each one of these segments, go there, give them great products and tell them the right things about what the value of the product brings. Three legs of our go-to-market in terms of our strategy. The first one is products. So we have launched 10 new products specific to different customer segments. The second leg is channel. In each channel, we have three different go-to-markets. One is through retail. Retail, our consumer team is expanding to about 1,000 odd retail stores in the country by the end of this year. Of those 1,000 stores, we plan to address SOHO customers through at least 200 retail outlets in the country, which will be our consumer retail outlets, where we will create a space inside the outlet and make it an SMB space for business products and give an address, give value through our products and address all SMB customers who walk into those retail stores. Whatever is the value that we want to give to the customer. The second part of the channel is resellers, where we will address SBs, which is a small business. And the third part of our channel is the VAR segment. The VAR community will be addressing the medium business space. So if you look at pure product, high-level product, in terms of the models, there are several models that come under each category. But if you look at the product itself, there are three all-in-ones that we have launched under the Edge category. And under each one of these three, there are several models. You will have multiple models and multiple configurations under each one of them. There are three desktops that we have launched today. So there is a six, three desktops, three all-in-ones. So totally 6 under the desktop range. And there are notebooks. So there is Edge Plus, there is Edge, the new Edge. So all across, like, you have 4 products on the notebook space and 6 products on the desktop space. But like I said, each one of them carry different multiple conflicts. So we have, I would say, probably several scores of models like under each one of them. SMBs, for most SMBs, I would say 90% of the SMBs, requirements, the Edge series meets all their requirements. But there are still SMBs where the Edge series doesn't meet requirements, and they exist at both ends. At the highest end, the non-Edge series, which is the T and the X series, which are our enterprise products, are products which again SMBs buy. So we sell them, and we would love to sell more of them too. Whoever wants to buy. Then at the other end, which is the consumer end, we have the IdeaByte series, where we have something that we call the B series and the V series, which is again not part of the Edge platform, but we sell it to the people who really look at a very, very, very low-end consumerish type of thing, which doesn't meet the benefits of the Edge platform. So these two exist outside of Edge. The large middle portion, which is most of the SMB's requirements, is already going to be addressed through these two. And through the new channel mechanism that we are talking now, we can address. Earlier we could not address, and now we can address. So we can go back to the same customers and give them buyback offers, we can give them upgrade offers, we can give them many offers which we could not give them earlier. Definitely.